Hello traders, the title of the video is Advanced Technical Analysis using a Pitchfork tool like a Pro. Alright, so we are looking at Boeing Corporation, Epic BA, Bravo Alpha. This is an American stock that belongs to the Dow 30. Alright. So it's a very popular American stock that the professionals are trading, right? But today we want to talk about advanced technical analysis using a Pitchfork tool, alright? So one of the trading tools that the advanced traders are using is the Pitchfork tool, alright? So if you want to become an advanced technical trader, you need to incorporate the Andrews Pitchfork tool in your trading arsenal. Right? Apart from the trend line, apart from the technical indicator, apart from drawing the support and the resistance level, you want to also incorporate, the Pitchfork tool. So suppose you are here and you are looking at this chart, you are looking for trading setup, alright, that will generate a valid trading signal, and you want to analyze, the chart. Generally, a lot of traders will be looking for chart pattern. There's nothing wrong with that. We can use chart pattern if we know how to use them, all right? Traders will also will be looking for technical indicators, all right? But when the technical indicators, give us a warning, we must confirm it with the price, right? So nothing wrong with all this. We'll draw also channel and so on and so on, all right? But the advanced traders will pull out the Pitchfork tool onto their charts, because the Pitchfork tool will determine the appropriate, the Pitchfork tool will highlight, the possible path that the price is likely to take. It's good to know, isn't it, to know which direction its price is likely to go. It's very, very, very important. So it's a powerful tool. So here, we're going to start a technical analysis for Boeing, and we're going to use the Pitchfork tool. So you can see I already put on my chart, the keys resistance and support level. I can also draw trend lines, but I don't want to do them now because I don't want too much line on this chart as I'm recording this video, all right? But let's try to place a Pitchfork tool on our chart. So what we need 3 points. So first point here. So you may be saying to me, George, you talked about Pitchfork tool before. Yes, but what we are doing today, we are applying the Pitchfork tool to analyze Boeing, stock today, all right? They pull out the Pitchfork tool and they apply it, So normally we don't want this third point to come up to the beginning of the first point. This is the first point here. So this is the first point, this is the second point. We do not want the third point to come here, but this one came quite close. Quite close. I would like to use it, all right? Let's see what will happen. Quite close. Normally we don't want that. Okay, so now we have our Pitchfork tool on our chart. Right? So now that we have the Pitchfork tool on this chart, you can see that things are becoming a little bit clearer. Have you seen it? Look at the tail of this candlestick bar. This is what we call a pin piercing through a key level right there. Also, what I say to traders, when we have the Pitchfork tool, we can divide each half into two. By placing a median line of the secondary half here, you can see that there was an intersection between that median line and that horizontal key level. What did I say to traders? That intersection of any part of the Pitchfork tool and any horizontal key level is a hot spot trading zone. Look, we have a pin, the candlestick bar pin, piercing through a key levels. By the way, traders were asking me to record more video about candlestick pattern. If you are subscriber to Day Pro Trader YouTube channel, or if you YouTube search candlestick pattern playlist by Day Pro Traders YouTube channel, you will see a playlist from Day Pro Trader YouTube channel, and I have videos in that playlist that I'm talking about. I'm sharing, candlestick pattern. So I have already done many videos, so check out that playlist, please. Or you go to that channel, look for playlist and check the candlestick pattern playlist. So this is not by mistake that the advanced traders bought this stock here. This is the current. You see how they bought it all the way up here. So you can see as they have the pin here, which is a candlestick pattern piercing through a key level and also at a hot, a spot, a trading zone, they bought it. As they bought it, they know that there is the media line of the Pitchfork tool itself here. Look. Right, that media line, they know it. If you did not place the Pitchfork tool on your chart and you buy it, swing trading or day trading, you may not know that, okay, there's a resistance there. That's the media line, you see. That's why it bounced, you see, pull back a bit. So professional who bought it here took profit on the edge there. Then it pulled back to form a higher low before closing above it. The following candlestick bar, as this one managed to close above it, the following month, it opened here. You can expect it. It opened there. They want to retest that media line. Can you see? There's another. Okay, all right. So you see now. So we have another hot spot on the zone. You see, because of what? How do we know? There's another. You see, this is a key level. You pay attention to a gray line. That's a resistance there. And again, we have an intersection between one of the Pitchfork tool, all right, one of the line of the Pitchfork tool, and that line is again a hot spot on the zone. And during that month, which month? The month of November 2016, that candlestick bar did open near that hot spot on the zone. It pulled back to retest the media line before it start going up. Watch out this one. Why we had this bearish candlestick bar here? Trader who bought near the media line know that there is a resistance there, and you see, they took some profit before. Okay, people continue to push it up. You see the tail of this candlestick bar also. As it came there, it opened here. There were people taking profit again. It pulled back a bit before it closed bullishly, and this one pushed it through. Okay, right? So this is how the advanced traders are trading. They are trading using the hot spot trading zone, intersection of normal key level, okay, normal key support resistance level, intersection between the Fibonacci extension level, Fibonacci retracement level, and any part of the Pitchfork tool. Professional are trading around those zones. They are using the candlestick pattern, okay, candlestick, okay, pattern on here, okay, the media line of the Pitchfork tool or the media line of each half of the Pitchfork tool or near, okay, the top or the low of the Pitchfork tool. So I'm going to do something now. Pay attention. If I remove the Pitchfork tool, you see, it's just a chart, isn't it? It's just a chart, and we'll be looking at it, staring at it, so to speak. We'll be just staring at it as we are watching television. And you may say, okay, you have a double bottom here. Yes, there was a double bottom retesting here, but that double bottom was also near a hot spot on the zone, as I already showed you with the Pitchfork tool. All right. So where are we now, and where are we going? So that's the question. So let's put back again the Pitchfork tool. As I told you, the Pitchfork tool is a powerful tool that helps us to determine the possible path that the price trade is likely to take. So why do we need to talk about this? We need to talk about it because when we want to perform a technical analysis to find a valid trading setup, it's useful for us to use the Pitchfork tool like the advanced traders. All right. 8 minutes so far. We want to keep it short. So where are we now? And where are we going? That's the question, isn't it? So now you see, it breaks above the Pitchfork tool. What do we need to do? All right. Do you want to become an advanced trader? Well, you will also use what we call market geometry. All right. So when you are using Pitchfork tool, you are using market geometry, you are becoming a more advanced trader. You will be trading the price more than anything else. So we measure the width of one of the half of the Pitchfork tool, or we can measure the width of the Pitchfork tool itself completely and project it in the direction of the price. Okay, and then we draw a line to the top here that is parallel to the Pitchfork tool. So traders say, you talked about it before. Yes, but we are analyzing Boeing. All right? So here we are. So once we project it, nothing should stop us to figure out where is the media line. Somewhere there, isn't it? So the price is now near the media line of the projected channel. So in normal scenario, after a breakout, we'll expect a bit of pullback that will be reasonable. That's what the price is doing all the time. Will it do it? We will see. Can it go up like this straight line? Yes, it can. But if you pull back little, test little level, we are watching it carefully. If it goes before, it may go up again. If it breaks above that projected channel, game on. Okay, one more time, we just project it gently and leave those lines on our chart. We just leave them there. We don't have to worry about it. Now you understand why I have too many lines on my chart. Okay. So there was a comment also on this channel. The trader said, George, show us your annual result for trading to show your consistency. I do not have to. I do not have to. Why? Because I'm not trying to impress trader with my trading result. I'm not trying to tell traders that I do not have a losing trade. I'm not telling traders that I'm the best traders out there. My objective on YouTube is to share my trading, okay, to share my trading tips, my trading strategy with traders. That's it. All right. Okay, so now we have it here. So here we are. So I told you I read all the comments. So, and during the video, sometimes I answer some of the comments. So, all right. So here we are. So again, we can project it like this and leave it on the chart. And now we just monitor it carefully. What have I said also? We say to traders that the price does not go up if you're in the stock market. All right. So you are using a Pitchfork tool. You are using market geometry. You want to become an advanced trader. Don't forget this. The price does not go up or down for no reason. It's always heading to a target level. All right. So where is the target? That is the question. We already posted a video at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel talking about that. Okay, stock does not go up. For what was the title again? Something to do, blah blah blah. So check that channel. You'll see a video when I was explaining that to trader. So there are many ways trader will draw a target. We set a target. But let's go back to the root of this move. So the root of this move is somewhere here. So it all started here, blah 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 blah. Before we get there, so I go back to the root. What to find? So we have here what we call a slanted inverted head and shoulder. So this is the tiny left hand side shoulder. Will you agree? Feel free to disagree. And this is a bit funny right hand side, a shoulder there, and this is the head here. Yes or no? So you have to understand what's going through the mind of traders here. Why they have another right hand side shoulder here, because this one was messy. You see, they create another one. All right, that's why here we have this one here. All right, so usually they will say the neckline is this one here. All right, they put it because it's a slanted. It's not. Do you mean what? Do you understand what I'm calling slanted? Am I speaking the proper English? So this is horizontal. We can turn it like this. All right. So sometimes they miss that one. If we turn it a bit, people get confused. Like I was talking about, the dynamic trend line is a consolidation when the price is consolidating. Okay, around a rising trend line or a declining trend line. So sometimes when things the market moves in a bit around, people get confused. It's like when we are talking about double top, people think that it's always equal top. No, it's not. So this guy, in this case, this is the neckline here. It's turned a bit angle. All right. It was horizontal. All right. Then we turn it a bit, and people sometimes they miss that opportunity. But when I draw it like this, I don't like it like this. In that case, I tend to. I'm talking about myself. All right. That's not a general rule. Because you have to understand that every trader, okay, has their own trading style, and I can impose that. So I'll put it like this, all the way up here. You see, it went above that line because I prefer the horizontal line instead of like this. So it's a quite ambitious target. Okay. All right, put it all the way to this one here. See this the first one is higher than this one here. When we draw, we connect it. So I just put it, that's my measuring stick, color it in pink so everybody can see it. Okay, let's zoom into it also. All right, so here we are, I want you to see, and then I just project it above that line, target there. All right, there's a target there, and I move that green line. So our target is the green line there, you see? That's the green line there. So if this is using the depth of that slanted inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. Now that target was hit here, you can see that's why. You see, I told you that the price does not go up for no reason. It came here, you see people took profit, they took profit because they know that we are at the target level, you see. They know, they know, they know. So as a day trader, you want to know where people are likely to take profit. So on that day, if the price at the target level, you as a day trader, you are just waiting and watching. All right, you are just waiting and watching. Is there a short-term momentum developing? If yes, well, you jump on it. All right. So now, as the target was exceeded, we put it back again on top of. So this is the first initial target. Remember, we talked about the midpoint target. We don't want to dwell on those things now, because we assume that you are now maturing and you are more. So this is now the secondary target. So the first target was the green line. Now we have a new target here. The pink one. So will you agree? What I say to you now is very, very important. I'm not kidding here, all right? So do you understand why, though there was a resistance here, the professional pushed it all the way to the pink line? Now, do you understand now that, forgive me if you think that, Joe, you are patronizing me now the way you are saying, do you understand? Do you understand? Forgive me, please, all right? So the point I'm making here, I'm just highlighting why it's so important to know where at the target level. Going back to what I've already said is that no financial instrument, okay, will go up or down for no reason. It's always going to a target level. With that, you will understand what is going on in the financial market. We are at a target level. So now with the Pitchfork tool, and also understanding what I told you, you are an advanced trader, you are using Pitchfork tool, you are using market geometry. But do not forget that the financial instrument does not go up or down for no reason. It's always heading to a target level. So with the Pitchfork tool, all right, and the market geometry, and okay, that market stable data that I just mentioned to you, that the price does not go up or down for no reason, will you agree with me for the first time in your life, all right, that, all right, Joe, you will say, George, I hate you very much because of your stupid asset. But today I agree with you for the first time that using the target, the price target, the Pitchfork tool, and the market geometry will make us a better advanced traders. All right, so the price at the target level. So now we will be monitoring. We will not just sell. Or we'll be monitoring the reaction of the price in this zone. That's all. As a day trader, that pink line is there. Well, if you want, let's go back. We can go. Right, hourly time frame and monitor is here. Here it is. What's going on here? What are they doing this before? What are they doing here? All right. They monitor carefully. Look for implement a top-down trading method. Look first for a trading sector, and then okay, trade it like a pro. All right, gently, gently, gently. If it's going to go down, it will be in a declining channel. All right, gently, gently like a pro, controlling the risk. All right. This is the end of this tutorial, talking about advanced technical analysis using Pitchfork tool like a pro. Like a pro means use different time frames, trading strategy, after one has identified a valid trading setup on a higher time frame. All right. So if you have any question or suggestion, all right, put in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. I always read all the comments, even if it's crazy one. And sometimes the things that, Joe, you didn't reply, you did not mark it up. Sometimes I do later on, but just put it there, and we'll take care of it. All right. If you think that this video has been useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that, George, this is another pile of blah blah blah, okay, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. If you think that this is an essential tutorial, all right, feel free to share with your friends on Twitter, on Facebook, and also on Google+. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about advanced technical analysis using Pitchfork tool like Pro.